In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your OneDrive dashboard effectively. This quick and simple guide will help you locate and access detailed information about any file you have stored online. Whether you're managing your own files or collaborating with others, having the ability to quickly find what you're looking for and understanding its details is a vital skill. This video will walk you through each step, ensuring you get the most out of your OneDrive experience. To begin, ensure you're logged into your OneDrive account and that you're on the dashboard. The dashboard acts as your central hub, providing a complete view of your stored data. From here, you can manage your files and explore the features that OneDrive offers. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu there, and the very first option you need to click on is My Files. This section of the dashboard contains everything you've uploaded to your OneDrive. It's like opening a virtual filing cabinet where all your digital documents, photos, and videos are stored in one convenient place. After clicking on My Files, you'll be presented with a list of all your files and folders. Now, you need to find the specific file you want more information about. Once you've located the file, hover your mouse over it and perform a right-click. This will open a context menu with various options for managing your file. From the context menu, the option you should select is Details. Choosing this will transform the right side of your screen into a detailed information panel. This panel is incredibly useful as it displays all the vital details about your selected file. You'll find valuable information such as the file type, the date it was created and last modified, the size of the file, and even its sharing status. You can also see any comments or notes associated with it, which can help in tracking changes or collaboration efforts. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only accessed important details about your file, but also streamlined the way you interact with your digital documents on OneDrive. Whether you're double-checking file specifics for a team project, ensuring you've sent the right document to a colleague, or simply organizing your own digital life, knowing how to access this information quickly will certainly come in handy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making the most of your OneDrive dashboard. Feel free to explore further and discover all the ways OneDrive can enhance your productivity